Assalamualaikum students, and welcome back to your English class, and I am your teacher Miss Maria, and this video is for class 5. So students, as you know that we have completed our lesson number 2 that was valuing people. Now today we are going to start lesson number 3, that is people at work. The first one is getting started and occupations. So for this, what you have to do, you have to take out your textbooks and open your page number 44. So what are the occupations? Occupation is a job or a profession which you or your elders are holding. ठीक है, वो कोई भी काम, कोई भी जॉब, कोई भी प्रोफेशन जो हमने या आपने लिया हुआ है, ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से हम कुछ पैसे कमाते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द ऑक्यूपेशन और द प्रोफेशन और द जॉब. Before moving to the topic, don't forget to mention date on your page. Today is 10/7/2020 and day is Friday. Look at the pictures. Can you tell what the people in the picture do for a living? These are the two pictures. What they are telling us that how two occupations people are living, ठीक है, how they are surviving in this वर्ल्ड. वो क्या कर रहे हैं, ओके, उनका शोबा क्या है, उनका प्रोफेशन क्या है, व्हाट इज़ देयर प्रोफेशन, हाउ दे आर अर्निंग देयर मनी और द इनकम फॉर देयर लिविंग. सो दिस पर्सन इज़ अ फार्मर और दीज पर्सनस आर दी फार्मर एंड दिस लेडी इज़ अ नर्स. ठीक है, शी इज़ परफॉर्मिंग हर ड्यूटीज़ बाय नर्सिंग अदर पीपल and this person is farming crops for us and for himself as well. This is the way of earning for him and this is the way of earning for her. Some people such as construction workers and fishermen work in the open. ठीक है, for example the people who are the workers at the construction site. What is the construction site? जहाँ पे buildings वगैरह बन रही होती हैं, घर बन रहे होते हैं, ठीक है, ईंटों से, रेत, बजरी, इन सब चीज़ों से जो भी काम हो रहा होता है, that is called the construction. ठीक है, और fishermen कौन होते हैं? फार्मिंग, फिशिंग करते हैं, जो मतलब डैम्स पे जाके फिशेस इकट्ठी करते हैं हमारे लिए, या और दरिया के पास जाके, ठीक है, और वर्क इन द ओपन, और इस तरह के बाकी लोग जो कि ओपन फील्ड में काम करते हैं. अदर्स लाइक शॉपकीपर्स एंड रिसेप्शनिस्ट वर्क इनडोर्स. ठीक है, so the people who are working in the shops and the people who are working in buildings, and they are the receptionists. Who are the receptionists? For example, you are going to a hotel, they have a information desk and they have the receptionist there. She will or he will tell you everything about that hotel. ठीक है, if you are booking a room there, she will or he will help you. ठीक है, these people help in work indoors. ठीक है, their profession is the indoor profession. Wherever they work, ठीक है, most people provide various services to others. Wherever they are working, ठीक है, whatever they are working, all the work is for the other people. ठीक है, it is for themselves as well. Obviously it is for themselves because they are earning something from their profession, but they are providing services to us, ठीक है, to other people. You have someone who works in your classroom. So you have a teacher in your classroom. Teachers provide educational services to pupils like you. So who are working in your classroom? Your teacher is working in your classroom. She is providing educational services to the people like now I am doing and other teachers are also doing. ठीक है, some people like nurses and paramedics provide health and emergency services for those who need these services. Everyone is important. Like teachers, we have other people, other professions like nurses and paramedics. ठीक है, they are providing us health and emergency services, but they are providing services to the other people. ठीक है, I am providing my services to you guys. ठीक है, you are other people for me. ठीक है, for nurses we are other people, they are working for us, we are working for you and for other students. ठीक है, so every single person is important because they are functioning or working for other people. Then what do your parents do for a living? ठीक है, what your parents what is your parents profession, what they are doing, how they are making your lives better, how they are earning their income. ठीक है, think about of different occupations and professions that you are familiar with. Now you have to think about the different professions which you know, like teacher, ठीक है, like admin staff, then we have our office jobs, ठीक है, in which we have managers, assistant directors, and so many others. Try grouping your list of occupations under different categories. How many categories can you think of? Some categories may be related to health, transportation, or even entertainment. How entertainment? They are the actors, ठीक है, actresses, cameraman, कोई भी हो सकता है वो, ठीक है. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से किस तरह से बस ड्राइवर, बस कंडक्टर और बस क्लीनर या वो कोई भी, ठीक है. तो इस तरह से दे विल बी बिलोंग टू ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. एंड देन हेल्थ, दे विल बी द पैरामेडिक्स, दे विल बी द nurses, doctors. So how many professions you know, what you have to do, you have to categorize them like health, transportation, entertainment, ठीक है, education. इस तरह से you have to categorize them, and then you have to write all the professions in those categories, ठीक है. But no need to do this, you just have to think about it. Then move to the next page, page number 45. Pre-listening choices. Okay, from your childhood you are thinking that in my future I want to become a doctor. Some of you want to become the engineer, doctor, paramedics, ठीक है, or teacher. Some of you also wants to become a teacher. So these are your choices. In a group, discuss factors that may affect one's decision in choosing a career path. Use the following questions to guide your discussion. We are not sitting in a class, we can't make a group, so we are not able to do this activity, but let me explain it to you कि what they are trying to say on this page. ठीक है, वो कह रहे हैं कि ग्रुप में ये बात डिस्कस करें कि वो कौन से फैक्टर्स होते हैं उन विच अफेक्ट ऑन योर डिसीजन, ठीक है, that I want to become a doctor, that I want to become or I want to go to this profession. What are the factors which affect these your choices, ठीक है. Then they are saying that discuss it in a group, ठीक है, and these are the questions which will help you to make the answers of this discussion, ठीक है. Then first question is, why do you think people choose a certain job or occupation? Why people think a certain job or occupation? For me, if I have to give the answer of this question is that if we want to earn money, ठीक है, और मैं एक सर्टन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाई आई चूज़ ए टीचिंग प्रोफेशन बिकॉज आई लव टू टीच स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, दैट्स वाई आई चूज़ दैट प्रोफेशन. उनका इंटरेस्ट होता है जिस प्रोफेशन में जहाँ से उनको बेनिफिट आ रहा होता है, ऑब्वियसली दे विल चूज़ दैट जॉब और ऑक्यूपेशन. व्हेन यू ग्रो अप, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू बी एंड व्हाई? सो इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर, दैट व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न, ठीक है. What would you not like to be? Why? और क्या आप नहीं बनना चाहते और क्यों नहीं बनना चाहते, ठीक है. How would your chosen career contribute to your community or society? For example, अगर आप डॉक्टर का करियर चूज़ करते हैं अपने लिए, then आप किस तरह से कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं अपनी सोसाइटी के लिए, अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए, कि आप उस वहाँ के जितने भी लोग हैं उनके लिए उनकी हेल्थ के ऊपर आपने काम करना है, उनको हेल्थ सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करनी है आपने, ठीक है. व्हाट आर योर पेरेंट्स प्रोफेशंस और ऑक्यूपेशंस? आपके पेरेंट्स में आपकी मामा हैं या बाबा हैं, जो भी हैं, उनका प्रोफेशन, उनकी जॉब या उनका ऑक्यूपेशन क्या है? डू यू थिंक दे इन्जॉय व्हाट दे डू? आपको लगता है कि दे आर सेटिस्फाइड विद देयर जॉब, दे आर हैप्पी विद देयर जॉब, ठीक है. When you are happy with your job, then you will enjoy your job. Then share your answers with your class. So we are not in the class, so we can't do this. Look at these pictures. She is a singer. It is her profession. She is a lawyer, ठीक है. So it is her profession, and she is a nurse or a doctor, so it is her profession. Now move to the next page, page number 46, saving others. ठीक है, describe what is going on in these pictures. We have two pictures and we have to describe these two pictures, that what is happening in these pictures. ठीक है, so in this picture we can see that there is a thunderstorm. ठीक है, and there is a flood. ठीक है, and we can see people are dying by different kind of things. ठीक है, but few of the people are helping them. Look at him, he is going to help her, he is going to help him. ठीक है, in group discuss the following questions about each picture. What do you think has happened to the people in the picture? I have told you, what do you think can help, you think can help these people? How, who do you think can help these people? आपके ख्याल में इन लोगों की हेल्प कौन कर सकता है इनमें से? ठीक है, obviously we can't see anyone here. ठीक है, but हो सकता है कि आपके माइंड में कोई हो बंदा कि ही कैन हेल्प हिम. ठीक है, इनके लिए भी हो आपके माइंड में कि दैट ही कैन हेल्प हिम. वेयर डू यू थिंक दीज पीपल वुड बी ब्रॉट टू इन ऑर्डर फॉर देम टू सेव? और इनको कहाँ लेके जाएंगे वो सेफ्टी के लिए? ठीक है, list different ways in which the people can be safely transported, or what are the ways, how many kinds or types of the people who save them and how they can save them. So you have to list them. ठीक है, this is your activity, you have to do it, but if you found it difficult then let me know, I will do it for you. ठीक है, you can do it on your rough notebook, not on the neat notebook. Okay students, this is it for today's class, and I will meet you in the next lecture, and in the next lecture we will do this lesson. This is the medical health service industry. So before doing this, what you have to do, you have to give this chapter a reading that will help you understand the lesson. ठीक है, when I will explain it to you. So till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz students.